Let's get straight to it. 2011 Toyota Tundra. This is the 4.6 liter engine. Today we are changing the driver's side headlight bulb. We won't be changing the passenger side bulb, but I'll also show you how to get that out. So right there you can see the harness right there that leads to your bulb. You don't have to take the harness off yet because it's going to be harder. So just grab this and turn it counterclockwise until that shakes loose. You can see it's loose there. And now we can pull this bulb out. And now we can remove the harness. You can see the harness here. Just press this clip down and we can pull this bulb out. Now with the bulb out, this is the old bulb here. And this is so you can see the keyways. And it's a 2-pin, of course. This is to help you get your new part so you have the right bolt to put in here. When working with this, be sure not to touch the bolt with your hands. So what we're going to do is we're going to connect the harness the same way and put it back in the same way we got the old one out. Now that the harness is connected, I'm just going to slide this in there and set it in there how it came out, and turn it back clockwise until it clicks in. And then it should look like that. It should be straight up and down by the time it clicks in. If you want to do the passenger side, it's over here on the other side of this washer fluid reservoir. You can get to it without moving the reservoir, but if you wanted to create more space, this reservoir is easy to remove. There's a 10mm here, another here, and one there. And then you'll be able to move this out of your way and you can reach that even better